Once upon a time, in a quiet forest, there lived a young owl who wanted to be as wise as his parents. But instead of listening carefully, he always talked and interrupted everyone. One day, a little squirrel asked him which branch is safe to jump on. Without thinking, the owl quickly shouted, "That one!" The poor squirrel leapt and nearly fell. Luckily, it caught another branch just in time. The owl felt his feathers droop with shame. He realized that real wisdom doesn't come from talking first, it comes from listening. From that day on, the young owl stayed quiet, listened carefully, and slowly grew wiser.